Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to safely open your Toyota Yaris key fob. This is a straightforward process, whether you need to replace a dead battery or access internal components. You will need just two simple tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new coin cell battery, typically a CR2016 or CR2032. Let's get started and have your key fob working perfectly in just a few minutes. The first step is to carefully remove the emergency key from its slot. Next, look for a small indentation or slot, usually located near where the key ring attaches. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist, you should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the casing is open, you will see the internal circuit board and the battery. Take a moment to observe how the old battery is positioned. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Using your screwdriver, gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2016 or CR2032 battery and slide it into place, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should click securely into its holder. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Then, slide the emergency key back into its slot. Finally, test your key fob by pressing any button. You should see a small red indicator light illuminate, confirming it is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.